So this is how you get to reverse an X for BMW. So you can get to use these. We have these. You can see these the rear camera, and you can also inakuonesha that we also have these are the beam inakusaidia kuona uko mbele. So how to reverse? First of all, you have to make sure your side mirrors they can get to see the car clearly. So the other important thing, guys, you need to make sure you get when I switch the pedal to switch it to reverse. As you can see, guys, then you get to reverse pole pole using also the rear mirror to make sure that you know everything clearly. So you can get to push it. We get to a little bit to make sure that everything you're comfortable. Now let's switch to we get to reverse pole pole too. Just pole pole, just turudi nyuma pole pole. It's very comfortable and very easy to reverse an X4 BMW. So you just it's very comfortable, guys, just like that. So basically that's how you get to reverse an X4 BMW. So you can see also the camera is showing you everything right here. It's just what is happening here in Atombia. There's another car which is close to us, and that's why you can see it's also showing us on this other side. We have another car just next to us, so it's just to alert us that there's a car which is just close to us. So basically that's it. And of course, let me know what you know about what you think about this video, and let me know where you're watching the video from. Peace, guys.